Hello guys, sadly this will be one of our last videos. This is gonna be about Mission 7, and as you know, it's about a big bit array of random numbers and you have to find the smallest numbers among them. So, how does this work? Well, first you have to make the big array that will store all your numbers. It's gonna be like 4 million numbers, so you have to be sure that you declare that the array in outside of your main program, like global variables. Why? because because in this way this will be declared in the heap, not in the stack or something like that. You can search about this and you will find more information. uh, well well here we have our our function that will be made of random numbers. We are just using the rand function that will make a random number. You should know what this does, or you should already know what this does. This will make a random number between 0 and this number, that in this case will be our 4 million something number. But this will make repeated numbers too. So what we are doing here is taking advantage of something of something called sorting. Why do we have to sort? Because it will be easier to sort the array and then find the repeated numbers than comparing all the numbers of the array again and again with all the numbers. If we want to see if the number will be repeated, that will be take a long time. I mean, not a long time, but as you should be used to make your programs in like what, 10 seconds, 20 seconds at most. But if you don't do this will take like, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes or more. That's why we are doing here. So let's test our program. First, we are going to compile our program. If you already seen some of my videos, you should know that most of the time I've already written the command, so I'm not gonna do that right now. Instead, I'm just going to execute my already written commands. So our program is compiled. Now we will execute. Oh, I forgot to mention, we are doing parallel program here. Why? Because here we don't want to, if we want to find the smallest number, we don't want to execute one by one. Instead, we want to compare all the numbers in different threads, like in parallel. In this way, our program will be much faster, and we could say this is like a divide and conquer algorithm, because we are dividing all the tasks between the parallel execution, and this will be, as I said before, much more fast. So now we are going to execute the number. This will take a little bit, don't be scared. Wow, what is happening? Well, it's making the random number. As I said, this is like 4 million numbers, and yeah, you can make random numbers in like 1 second, right? Well, let's wait a little for our numbers. It seems like everything's going well. No, wow, something happened. No, nothing's happened. Now we are printing our numbers, but it seems like they are ordered, right? Yeah, I said we were going to sort our array, because we want to get rid of the similar numbers, right? We want to all the numbers in the array to be unique. Let's wait a little bit more and see if everything went good. Yeah, yeah. Now we have our result. The minimum number is 0. 0? That sounds weird, right? Why? We have 4 million numbers. Why the smallest number should be 0? Well, in fact, this is pretty obvious. As we are making 4 million different unique numbers that should be random. How many randoms you could make between 4 million numbers? Well, 4 million numbers. In fact, if you want them to be unique, it's like they were one after another, right? Let's see. Let's look our array more closely. If you pay attention, you should be notice that our numbers are not consequent. You can see here, in fact, that this number is not a consequence of this, right? And so, and if you see the others, you should be notice the same pattern. Oh, that's interesting, right? Yeah. Why? Because, as I said, these are random numbers, but there are so many of them that these look like, I don't know, numbers in a sequence, but they are not. But if we go to the top of the array, this will take a little bit. I'm going to just go as far as I can in the top of the array. We hope. This will take a while if we keep doing this. But what I want to show you is that the smallest number is in fact 0. Why? Because, as I said, all of these numbers are unique. So it's pretty probably that you will get a 0 number or a 1 number or even 2 almost always. Why? Because, as I said again and again, these are unique numbers. So it's kind of hard to make unique numbers in an array of 4 million without making them look similar, right? This could be avoided if we make an array of 8 million or even more, but that will take much more time that we have right now, so we are skipping that. But as you see, everything worked fine. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next last video.